And thank you for tuning in to this edition of What Library at Home. I'm Alexis Lawrence, your adult librarian, and today we're going to take a look at making our own face mask from cloth or our own personal materials at home. The reason why we're going to take a look at this today is because the CDC has mentioned that it is wise for us nowadays, in addition to practicing social distancing, to also protect ourselves by wearing face masks. Because there are people who can be asymptomatic out there and can also be passing the virus that way. So in addition to us being 6 feet away from someone, we should also be wearing face masks as well as another precaution. And so if you can't find a face mask in the stores, there's a way for you to make your own face mask at home so that when you're going to grocery stores or out in public, you can also be protected. So what you're going to do is find some type of cloth, towel, maybe a scarf or a bandana at home to use to make the face mask. And you're also going to need a rubber band or maybe like a hair tie, and you're going to need 2 of those. So today I'm going to use 2 hair ties, and I managed to find a cloth which is a little larger than a bandana, so I folded it in half, that we're going to use today. And so what you're going to do is you're going to fold the one end slightly, and then you're going to fold the other end as well up at the top. So now our ends are folded. We're going to fold again and then fold again at the top. And so once those 2 are folded, we're going to take the hair tie and we're going to put it on the one end, and we're going to go about 1/3 of the way through. We're going to take and we're going to also fold the other end 1/3 of the way through. So now that it looks something like this. And so what we're going to do next is you're going to take the folded end and tuck that in. You can also tuck it in so that you can't see it if it looks better for you. I'm just going to fold mine. You're going to fold the other end. And then once that's folded, you're going to take the end of your hair tie and the other end, and you bring that up to your face, and it goes behind your ear. And you're going to make sure that it's covering your nose and your chin, because when you go out in public, you want to make sure that both of those are covered. And my hair is obviously in the way of it going around my ear. Okay. And there we have it. I have my face mask and I'm all set to go out in public. So now that you know how to make your own face mask, please make sure you practice social distancing as well and stay protected. And we can't wait to see you at What Library, and make sure you tune in to our next edition of What Library at Home.